Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are gonna do a Nykaa haul, and before starting this video I wanna put out a little disclaimer. If you feel my voice is sounding a little nasal or low, then please bear with me. It's because I'm sick. And अगर आपने मेरी Instagram में stories देखी होंगी तो you would know that I had already recorded this video, but somehow I lost the audio and I tried to edit the video like with the original voice and stuff, wherein I was getting a lots of background noise, AC का voice, fan का voice. So I tried to edit it, but even then I did not like the outcome, so again I'm shooting it. Yeah, so disclaimer is done. So I have all the products here in this box, and if you are updated with my stories, you know मैंने poll में आपसे पूछा था कि what you wanna see, Nykaa haul or something else. I know you voted it less, but there were many people who wanted to see this, and I also wanted to do this personally, so I thought why not, and इसीलिए मैंने लिया है इतनी सारी चीज़ें. तो अगर मैं ना करूँ तो फिर it's a waste. So I'm gonna show you all the products one by one, and also along with that I'm gonna give you my mini reviews, because ऐसे भी बहुत कम products हैं. मैं सिर्फ products आपको दिखाऊँ तो वीडियो 2 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाने वाला है, और I like it this way. I mean, I did not just want to show you the products and know nothing about it. I don't like being clueless, so that's why. और बात ये है कि when I place the order, 2-3 चीज़ें मेरे पास आ गई जल्दी से, पर उसके बाद यहाँ पे हो गया लॉकडाउन, तो इस वजह से लाइक द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास अभी कुछ दिन पहले एक आध हफ्ते पहले आया है, इसीलिए आई गॉट प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम टू यूज़ देम, एंड दैट्स वाई आई एम शेयरिंग mini reviews about them. The first thing that I want to show you and get it out of the way is this lenses. This is in blue. मेरे पास पहले से ये ग्रे कलर में था, और उसके बाद जब मुझे अच्छा लगा, वो कंफर्टेबल लगा, तो मैंने इसे ब्लू में भी ऑर्डर किया. और I have a whole dedicated video about this, so I'll be linking it over here and also in the description box. If you are interested, if you want to know, if you want to watch the full review about this lens, then please you can go and check it out. Next thing that we have in line is this foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and oh my god, this is the most full coverage foundation I have used till date. And when I was just starting out with makeup, so I was really crazy about full coverage foundations. तो जब मैंने देखा इंटरनेट पे, तो आई फाउंड दैट L'Oreal Infallible, इफ़ यू हैव यूज्ड इट यू वुड नो. सब उसको बोल रहे थे कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन है, बट आई डिड नॉट फील एज सच. सो इसीलिए जब मैंने इसे यूज़ किया तो आई felt yes, this is a real game changer. And moreover, when you are working with cameras, when you are working with harsh lightings, big lightings, you need to have this kind of foundations, because जो normal dewy foundations होते हैं, demi matte foundations होते हैं, वो ज़्यादा देर तक ऐसी lighting के सामने चल नहीं पाते, पिघलने लगते हैं. इसीलिए I needed this, and if you are someone who also works with this kind of lighting and setups, then this is a really good thing for you to have for your shootings. And actually जो Maybelline Fit Me है, जो रेगुलर Maybelline Fit Me है, अगर आपको उसमें अपना शेड पता है तो आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा शेड ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसमें भी वही वाला शेड आएगा. एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग कि आई एम बीइंग अ लिटिल डल. आई एक्चुअली फोर्सिंग माई सेल्फ टू मेक दिस वीडियो, बट hey, I love it, so no complaints. So next thing that I have here is again from Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now again, ever since I knew that concealers exist, I was watching everybody use this concealer, and I don't know, like this was always in my wish list, पर मैंने कभी उसे ख़रीदा नहीं. I mean, I got distracted somehow, but finally that I have here, I don't regret buying it a little bit, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छा concealer है अगर आपको regular use के लिए चाहिए. And there are lots of shades available as well, so you can easily find your shade and start using it. मैंने इसे अपने shade से 2 या 3 shade light लिया है, ताकि मैं इसे as a highlighting concealer use कर सकूँ. This shade 20 Sand was out of the stock for the longest period of time. That's why I had to wait for it to come. और मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेल पे ली हैं, तो इसीलिए मुझे ये MRP से सस्ते में मिला है. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू डू द सेम. कभी भी कॉस्मेटिक्स को उनके फुल प्राइजेस पे मत लीजिए, क्योंकि there's always a sale running on Nykaa, Purple, Myntra. तो अगर अभी नहीं चल रहा है तो थोड़ी देर वेट कर लीजिए, डेफिनेटली आएगा सेल, उस पर आप लीजिए, क्योंकि इट्स टोटल स्टूपिडिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अगर आप फुल प्राइस पे कॉस्मेटिक्स ले रहे हैं. So the next thing that I have in line is this cute little powder. Okay, this is the third product in a row of Maybelline. So if you have followed me for a very long time, you would know this कि I used to use this powder, Lakme Rose powder. So when I was using it, I liked it, I loved it so much that I once said in one of my videos कि I don't feel like, you know, switching to any other powders. And ever since I started using this loose powder, trust me, I don't even know where that powder is kept. I mean, this is actually very good. I mean, I have heard a lots of people raving about it continuously, and then I thought कि अब try करना ही पड़ेगा. I mean, this is the time. I was shocked to see how a powder can, you know, make your skin look blurry and smooth, क्योंकि generally if you apply powder on your face, it exaggerates the texture of your skin, so that's not a very nice thing to look at. But this does not do that. However, if you are trying to, you know, bake with this powder under your eyes, then you need to be a little careful with it, because it has got a little thick consistency, like it has got a flour like consistency, so you need to be a little careful, otherwise it's a real good deal. I mean, it's really good. And the best thing about this powder is that it does not have any smell. Abhi to I cannot smell anyway, but it doesn't have any smell, so that's something I really liked. I mean, I don't like heavily perfumed stuff made based skincare or makeup. So the next product I have is this bronzer. This is so cute. I mean, this has this magnetic lock. I play with this magnetic lock a lot. So this is how the bronzer looks like. And इसके पहले मेरे पास एक Wet n Wild का bronzer था, आपने देखा होगा मेरे Instagram वीडियो में. But I did not like that powder as much, bronzer as much, क्योंकि it was very light for my skin tone. I mean, it wasn't providing any sort of warmth to my face that I would have liked. तो इसीलिए I went for this one this time. ठीक है, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा dark नहीं है, but it's okay for, you know, regular use and stuff. Or anyway, I wanted to buy something from Sugar because I have seen a lot of people use them, so it was very tempting. Next we have these eyeliners, and I'm gonna show you how beautiful this eyeliner looks, क्योंकि I have never seen such pigmented blue colored eyeliner. I've been wanting to get my hands on blue eyeliner anyway, and when I saw this, I mean, I never thought कि 100 रुपीज़ का आईलाइनर भी इतना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड और अच्छा हो सकता. प्रॉब्लम बस थोड़ी सी इसमें ये है कि इसको सूखने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, तो आप इसे अप्लाई करने के बाद यू हैव टू कीप इट फॉर गुड 10 to 15 seconds, and then it will be dry completely. Yeah, just keep that in mind. So the next thing that I have here is this kajal. This is by Nykaa, and one mistake I did was I did not even check the comments, I did not even check the reviews. I just bought it out straight, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा काजल ही है, and that too from a good brand, तो ज़्यादा ख़राब होगा नहीं. But I did not like it. I mean, I will never suggest you to buy it, क्योंकि I mean, you actually have to drag it on your eyes to, you know, make it look pigmented. Oops, I broke it. You actually have to reapply it over and over again to get the pigmentation. So that's something I did not like about this kajal. And a kajal has only one job, to be pigmented, to be black, and this is not good. So I will never recommend this to you guys. So the next thing that I have is this Tinkle razor. This is also called facial razors, and I use them to kind of remove my peach fuzz and also to make my eyebrows sometimes. I actually realized the worth of it in this lockdown when I couldn't go to the parlor and get my eyebrows threaded. I mean, I usually go and get my eyebrows threaded, but it's so painful sometimes, so I like using them. And these things were out of the stock for 4 to 5 months straight. I think everybody realized the worth of it, or this is really handy. This is very compact. You don't have to go through that pain. You can easily make your eyebrows at home with this. So the last thing that I have here is this facial oil. This is by Plum. This is their grapeseed and sea buckathon. I don't know how to pronounce it. So yeah, I got this to kind of use it under the makeup to make it look a little dewy, and I haven't used it as much to kind of share my opinion about it. But if I like it, then you will definitely hear a mention about this product in my future videos, so rest assured. And you know, this is the thing with all the Plum products that by the way, sorry for this, that they have very strong fragrance in all of their skincare products. I mean, why would you put a very strong fragrance in your skincare range. What is the point? I just don't understand, and that's something I hate about this. Otherwise, if I like this product, then definitely you're gonna hear me talk about this. And अगर आपको अलग से जानना है कुछ इसके बारे में या फिर किसी भी और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, तो आप मुझे DM भी कर सकते हैं Instagram पे. आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प. So yes everybody, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to connect to me personally, then you know where to find me. This is my Instagram handle here. Bye bye.